I've been practicing exclusively criminal law in Dallas since 1992. I started out as a prosecutor under Judge John Vance, who was the district attorney at that time. Stayed there until 1994 when I left, went into private practice, and have been doing so ever since. Well, we founded the predecessor to this firm in 2002 was Milner and Finn. We have since expanded. It's now Milner, Finn, and Price. There's probably no other criminal firm in Dallas which has the success numbers and total numbers and also in the percentages that we do. We simply start adding up how many no bills, jury acquittals, bench trial acquittals, how many dismissals, how many cases are reduced literally to the level of a traffic ticket. When you're starting out with a felony offense and it's reduced down to a traffic ticket, we consider that a success. We've got the numbers to prove it. Well, one of the things about me that I think is unique is I look at every single case with a view toward winning it. I am not looking at it with a view toward how do we get a good deal. I'm not interested in a good deal. I'm interested in unconditional surrender by the other side. We win one way or another. I approach every single case that way. It is my intention from day one we will win this case at trial. Many of them don't go to trial because we've done so much work on the front end. The prosecutor realizes they're going to lose and either dismisses it or reduces it to something that is completely insignificant and something that the client can live with. But that's the difference. Many lawyers start out with the idea that they're going to get the client a good deal and that's all they're going to do. They're not going to put the work into it. I go into it with the belief that we're going to win every single case. If I'm taking the case, I'm going to handle every single aspect of it. I don't delegate things to associates. If there's any form of a live courtroom hearing, I don't care how trivial it is, I am the one who handles it. I handle the witness preparation, I direct the investigations, I am involved in essentially every aspect of this. Now we have other attorneys who assist in ways that they can, as well as legal staff and support. However, anything that is happening in that courtroom which is going to affect the outcome of the case is going to be handled by me personally. The most meaningful thing to me is receiving letters from clients and their families thanking me with the recognition that their loved one or they themselves would be in prison if it were not for me. I periodically get pictures from them with their children telling me, I wouldn't have these children here today if it wasn't for you being my lawyer. I'd be in a prison cell somewhere.